Yo, what's going on, gangsters? Welcome back to Jake's Journey, mate. Today, we're gonna go motorcycle camping. Head down to the cabin. Let's do it. Yo, what's going on, gangsters? Right, so we've just rocked up here. I kind of came here through the odd green lane and that and sort of plodded about and had a little spin through on the way. It wasn't until I got here and did some jump, and I'll put the clip in now, that I realised rear suspension on the bike bottomed out. It actually ripped off the bungees that were supporting that dry sack being sat there on the back. So I'm probably just gonna have to strap that to my backpack on the way back and figure something out. But yeah, that was exciting. Right, the plan is I'm gonna get some food on and we're gonna do some tinfoil cooking in the fire. Let's prep that, get a fire going. Right, so we've got two stacks here actually. We've got pine and then we've got poplar. So I think we're gonna try and use the poplar because it's no good to take home and use on open fires and stuff because it ends up sooting up your chimney. So we'll use poplar while we're down here cooking on the fire and then use something a little bit that's going to burn a little bit harder to cook in the tinfoil, but let's just get it going. So I was actually going to camp out using my tent. When I started loading the bike up and my backpack, I realised I was like, I can't really fit much on here. So there's just going to be, I'm going to have to just do it a different way at a later date. But yeah, it wasn't too bad riding out. The pack was a bit heavy with the sort of position you're in. But yeah, I think we'll figure that out in the future. So I'm going to sleep in the cabin, do it like that. But yeah, groovy. Let's get the axe out. Well, there's my book. Toolkit, because if you're on a bike, it's always worth having a toolkit just in case you break down. Food that we're cooking tonight, bit of a jumper. That should be waterproof. There's the axe. Right, let's get this fire on and let's do it quick because I'm already quite late out and I don't want to mess about. I want to get this done before we start to lose light because that's going to suck. I'm not about that life. So, there we go. Fire dragon as per You're Not Light. Sweet. So we're actually losing light pretty flipping quickly. Yeah, that fire I've absolutely stacked the hell off because I want to create a bed of embers that's just going to be vast, because basically we're going to be cooking in the embers using tinfoil, and what we're going to do now is prepare that food, and let's show you how we're going to do it. First things first, we've got a salmon cut of British beef. I don't even know what salmon cut is. I don't think I've ever had that. Maybe I have, I don't know. Let's move the axe. That was cool, wasn't it? Nice. I've got some wipes for afterwards, just in a little sealable bag, just to clean up. I've got my camp knife, my little Opinel cooking knife, tinfoil because that's necessary today, and then I've got this bag mix which I'll tell you what that is in a minute, and then we've got a bag of vegetables, and what we've got in there is a big ass sweet potato, a white onion, a parsnip and a carrot. So let's see what we can make of all this. In a bag, pepper, salt, mustard, coconut oil, oh, and a broken up beef stock cube. And that will just get poured into each parchment of tinfoil before they're closed up and put onto the fire. That fire's roaring now. The moon's out, but the farmer's still cutting about, trimming the hedges and stuff down this end, so he's a bit noisy for now, but I'm sure he'll bugger off as soon as the sun starts to fade. Here are the horse poo. Here we are. There we are, that'll do. Bit of a chopping board there, just do the onion now. Right, first things first, I'm going to give the potato a scene to. It's a sweet potato, it's a fairly big one as well, so I'm going to do this one first because it's going to take quite a while to cook. So I'm just going to use the Opinel. I'm going to give it a stab like you would before you put it in the microwave. Normal potatoes, I usually tend to give a microwave before putting in the oven. Cut off any rough bits. There we go. Cool. And now what I'm going to do to prep this is offer up some tin foil. Yeah, that's about right. Place it inside like so. And then I'm gonna open this bag that I told you about that's got my little special concoction in, and I'm just gonna squeeze some out. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do instead of that? I'm gonna tear it out of the bottom corner and use it as a paster, like icing on a cake. And then all we're gonna do onto the tater is squeeze it on. And this, with the knife, set it all on nicely. And then we're just gonna wrap it up. That is quite a potato, and I think it's gonna take absolutely ages. We'll put the carrot, the parsnip, and the onion together, down the middle I think, just so it cooks a bit quicker. What's up, Jack? Special sauce. Yes, this stuff looks horrible, but I'm hoping it's going to taste right. But I guess we'll see, won't we? Work it around it a bit. It'll all melt into place and do its thing once we've got it wrapped up anyway and it hits the heat. I'm going to have a play with this fire, see if I can not get it moved around. Ah, bloody hell. Have a play around with it and get that potato on. All I've done there is just dug a hole in the ashes, put the potato in, and just like sort of buried back over it. Let's see what the potato is doing like. It's a little soft. I think a little bit longer will do it. Jesus Christ. You see that? This is the old hunk of meat. I'm going to move that out of the flames a bit more. Let's have a looky here. See what's going on. Slice and dice. Shit. That was really bad. I accidentally dunked my finger into the my thumbs into the juices, and that's some hot shit. Look at that, looking right. So we've got parsnip, carrot, onion mixing about there. That part of the onion looks pretty gross. Just get rid of that. I've just tried the carrot. The carrot was nice, man. It's not like roasted off, but it's soft and it's tender. Oh man, I love parsnip. I'm a serious parsnip fan. That was a lot of onion all at once. Let's get some carrot in with that. Hot. I'm gonna check the potato again. Potato, knife, bit of char into the outside of the skin, but it's looking nice, it's looking soft. But yeah, outside bits are done, but the inside's not. And are you ready for the beef? I think I timed that one about right. It's looking good to me. Let's try a. Let's see what it's. See what I mean? That feels tough. That it's no steak, is it? Let's give it one. Get a bit of the middle bit. Just beef in it. Not really. Not really my cup of tea. That's enjoyable. Well, yeah, cooked well. That is. Can't really see because of the. There you go. I feel like proper old school, living in a cave sort of thing. You know what I mean? Gonna need a toothpick. It feels wrong, you know. That last video, I felt good eating it. I was like, yeah, proper, like vegan burger, and nothing dead. Like a couple of weeks ago, this was probably galloping round a field. Nah, was it hell? I don't think cows like gallop round fields round here. It's been a long day to be fair, but yeah, I'll show you my bed setup quickly. Right, so this is the bed setup for the night. It's literally just a pull-out sofa bed, and yeah, got a memory foam topper on, and I'm just in my OEX Leviathan 900. Night. Well, that's nothing creepy. Night, bitch. Morning, gangsters. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually on the floor because that, excuse the mess. You know, I've come to realise, whenever you go on a sofa bed, the mattress always dips into the middle and you always end up, and I sleep on my front like this, with like my neck to the side, which is why I probably have a bad neck all the time. But that means that your back ends up arching like that because you sink into the bed too much, and I don't like that. So I moved the mattress onto the floor. And there's a little bit of useless information for you. Nice. Right, so I'm gonna get up. I've literally got a flapjack for breakfast. I'm gonna have a little cut about on the bike. Have a little morning mooch, and then I'm gonna head on back. I know it's been a bit of a weird one, but I just thought I'd bring you out on a little vlog of what's going on. I'm gonna go ride my bike, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Yo, what a stack. Dirty as now. Where am I? There we go. Got a good stack going there. But yeah, the drones ran out now. So I'm gonna have a few more rides around, and then I'm gonna bug out and head back home. But it's been a pleasure, short but sweet one. And thanks for joining me. I'll catch you next time. One love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification if you want to know as soon as I upload a new video. Bye guys.